Blessed be God, who allowed us to wake up this morning and gave us the chance to start anew. Life is a divine gift, and opening our eyes every day is like hearing God whispering, "Get up, I am here with you." Each new dawn brings the blessing of rewriting my story, page by page. Under God's care and guidance, I walk as both the author and the protagonist of my journey, but I am never alone, for I feel His presence by my side. The challenges may seem great and the paths may be difficult, but I remember that weeping may last through the night, but joy always comes with the morning. Today, God gives me another opportunity to learn from my failures, turn pain into lessons, and grow from every experience lived. He leads me from the shadows into the light, always faithful, always present. Whether in laughter or tears, in moments of joy or sadness, the message is clear. Start over. God is with you, guiding you with love and grace.
Ang ganda. Ang linaw, clear, crystal clear po ang dagat. At mga island and islets po nakikita po natin sa paligid natin. Wow, ang dami. Sobrang dami.
Diyan maraming bisugo.
Dito maraming bisugo kaya
At
saan
saka
ka na bisugo?
matanghinap ang araw.
Pagtakbo-takbo po tayo na gaganda rin kaya eh. Whew! Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
Dito maganda mag-ano ng hotel. Yan.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Ano yun doon, Manda? Parang may Twin Island. Hindi mo natanaw dyan. Dito, oh. Akin na, pakita ko.
Ito na nga.
Yehey! Ano? Ano may Twin Island?
O, picturean mo na ako.
Thank
Tapos
you.
na.